नमस्कार। अगर आप चैन की नींद सोना चाहते हैं तो जान जाओ, एक इंटरनेशनल टेररिस्ट आपके बीच में है। पौंडीचेरी और गोकर्ण नहीं, आपके बगल में। और अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि वो कौन है तो देखो हमारा स्पेशल स्पाई बिजिल बालचंद्रन को, जो एक स्पेशल स्टोरी आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं, स्पेशल सिंगापुर से टू बैंगलोर। देखो।
Puspa, do you know who you're dating? Wow, Jakes.
Hi Jakes, hi Push. Okay, I'm Jason. For if I guess you probably remember me once
We
at a party.
lost.
Yeah. That's probably Jakes because Jakes wasn't here. Okay. We lose terribly if he was here though.
Okay, Jakes always has an excuse when we play football, yeah? Whenever he loses the ball or takes in a goal, he blames it on his knees.
And hope you have a good wedding. Good luck with that. And I'm sorry for you, but get your knees operated. Knees won't affect your marriage, I hope.
Yeah. I probably remember the time when he went for about 2 months, 40 days down Kerala, saying when he had some surgery. He went to some sadhu. Sadhu did something. He said something, and they came back and it was all okay. Same old story. My knee's gonna be fine, and he's back on the field. And immediately next day he was on the ground again.
How did this happen?
He likes Michael Jackson, so he did a.
Pushpa keeps complaining that when she's so embarrassed with him sitting next to her because he's just nodding his head and not an intense prayer, but he's in some dream analysis state.
51 लोकल ट्रेन, सुबह सुबह मैं जा रहा है ट्रेन में, ऐसा इतनी भाग ऐसा अंदर जाके पहुंचता है सैंडी, जेक्स बैठा है ना भाई आराम से। मैं बोलते जेक्स oh Hiren, how are you Malayali चालू, that is fucking Jakes.
I would never get married to that 8 p.m. like criminal like 8 p.m.
Please come back 8 p.m. or Vijay sit back.
We miss you 8 p.m.
We miss you in Sweden.
We miss you in Africa.
You know how holy Pushpa is, and she loves going to church.
You are such a wonderful daughter of God. God bless you abundantly. You all love you so much.
A few things about Pushpa that you all don't know. Probably she'll kill me after this. We used to call her the India Gate when she was small because she didn't have her 2 front teeth. And that probably continued till she was around 13. So it was a while before she got her front 2 teeth, and she had a nickname called India Gate.
बिजिल बालाचंद्र हमारा स्पेशल स्पाई है। दिखने में तो एक छोटा सा गणेश दिखता है, मगर he is the best part of our operation. It was easy to put this छोटा लड़का in the midst of APM's dangerous खतरनाक world. और पुष्पा जो हमारी सीक्रेट एजेंट थी, उसके बारे में coming up after the break.
Some of my best childhood moments with Pushpa were when we first got our Superman, or actually Spider-Man and Superwoman costumes, and we both wore them and paraded out in Darjeeling at the main mall area. We were both very proud, and I think we just wanted to take on the world, and I think that would be the funniest moment that I had with Pushpa back home.
Now how to take
I am a Superman. सनसनी में ये बिलीव करते हैं कि ये सब यीशु की दया से चलती है, और हम बिलीव करते हैं कि पुष्पा will be the reason the story of Jakes will end. Thank you. Namaskar.
Pushpa's best way of taking revenge was crying to dad. as soon as she cried to Dad, I'd be the first one to get her back. She was Daddy's little pet, and she got away with it all, which is very nice for a 6-year-old who was demanding things. But I guess when you have a brother who's trying to lead his own life and do his own thing at 6 years of age, it's very difficult. So I remember this one case when we were playing cricket and I hit the ball somewhere and it ricocheted on the wall to another wall and it hit Pushpa and she started crying. And my father came in from the room that he was sitting in and gave me a whack, and I didn't know why it was my fault, but I got a whack. That's how precious she was to her father. Hey Pushpa, I want to wish you all the very best for your life ahead with Jakes.
My dad would love Pushpa. Look at that girl, she's so smart, so outgoing, and my dad just loves her.
It's the first time I'm seeing a Mallu Sindhi combination. One is a hardcore commie state and the other band are like hardcore capitalists. I don't really know what's going to come out, but whatever comes out is, I hope it's going to be a great experience. Good luck to you guys and God bless.
I wanted to congratulate you and I wish you and Pushpa all the very best.
तुम सब पुष्पा जी अब शादी करके खुश रहिए.
मचा डैग निकलियाना पन्रा वेंडाडा वेंडा पन्नादे. But anyway, you want to be a man, you can be a man. That doesn't mean you go fighting with Pushpa. She will whoop your ass if you ever try.
This is your last day. Okay, Machan, so do whatever you want because your whole life is going to change tomorrow. Get ready, you can't watch soccer anymore. You will have to watch only programs that Pushpa wants to watch.
Wish you and Pushpa all the very best for your wedding and have a great life. They say shadi is barbadi, but don't go by that. I'm sure you guys will make it.
All the best to you, Jakes and Pushpa from the Menins.
Hi Jakes and Push, congratulations. Wishing you a very, very, very happy married life.
Wish you
a very happy married life. We will miss you.
And this year Arsenal and Chelsea are really going to kick Liverpool's ass.
Sunil and Pushpa, we wish you
all the best and have a great future.
Wish you a happy married life.
But anyways, all the best. Have a good married life.
Hi Sunil, 8 PM. Have a happy married life.
सुनिए MPM, आपके बीवी के लिए कंगन यहीं से लेना है.
8 PM, longue vie à ton mariage et meilleurs vœux.
Congratulations 8 PM.
हमारे प्यारा कुपर की तरफ से 8 PM को शादी मुबारक.
Congratulations 8 PM and Push.
Ciao 8 PM, tanti auguri per il matrimonio. Speriamo ci rivediamo presto in Italia.
నా కొడుకు నేను ఆశ్రయం ఇస్తున్నాను మీ ఇద్దరికి.
Salut 8 PM et bah bonne chance pour ton mariage hein. À bientôt. Salut.
Hello 8 PM, wish you a happy married life and be careful, it's a license for sex. Have fun.
Hi 8 PM, please come for your honeymoon to Iran.
Wish you all the best again and do take care of your needs.
All our best wishes to you. My dinner is still pending, so if that is the only thing that brings you back to Bombay, please come and ask me for whatever you want to, and you got it. That's a promise.
And listen, Jakes, I have your wife Sandy in Bombay with me. Don't worry, I will take care of him. Out.
Now is going to be the time wherein you're going to be stepping out into the most serious note of life with our happy man Jakes 8 PM.
Good luck to both of y'all and you take care of each other. So all the best Pushpa and Jakes. You can see the excitement has come all the way to Bombay as you walk down the aisle holding hands. May the sunshine of the moment go with you all through your life.
And enjoy your married life.
Happy married life. Congratulations. Good luck.
Great life ahead.
Okay, we enjoy it, now you enjoy.
All the best Push and Jakes.
Pushpa, Jake, you see this, you probably will be married, and just wish you guys the very best. Have a wonderful, wonderful journey together, and just all of God's blessings. And know this, that I'll be rooting for you. Take care, guys.
Sunil 8 PM, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Happy wedding anniversary.
ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಹಲೋ 8 PM, ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ ನೀವು ಗಂಡ ಎಂತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಲೋ 8 PM, ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ ನೀವು ಗಂಡ ಎಂತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು.